And viewers, some breaking news coming in. Counterintelligence Kashmir, CIK, is conducted pre-dawn raids at various locations across Kashmir Valley. Raids in Pulwama and other areas in relation to online terror case. CIK raids underway in Kashmir. We have the visuals also coming in this morning. Viewers, as the crackdown continues on online terror, these raids are in connection to online terror in the Kashmir Valley. And several such updates are coming in on this regard. Well, my colleague Zeenat is joining us live on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Zeenat, help us understand the connection that these raids are currently having. On what sense in terms of an online terror case? Give us a background of this case as well.
This is one of the cases that the CIK has registered in one of its police stations as far as the glorification of the terrorism is concerned, as far as the radicalization of terrorism is concerned, or motivating you to join the terror ranks. So this is one of the cases on the basis of which the CIK Kashmir, you see the officers from the CIK. This is a pre-dawn raid that has been conducted by the CIK, and this time they have touched the 7 districts of the Kashmir Valley, be it Anantnag in South Kashmir or the Kulgam, similarly Baramulla and the Kupwara, and Srinagar, as well as Central Kashmir's Budgam. This is in relation to see that the glorification of terrorism do not take place, and the people who are involved in doing this anti-national activities, they are booked as per the law. So these were the pre-dawn raids that were conducted by the CIK. This is one of the components of the Jammu and Kashmir police, and they were conducted these raids. This is not the first time when we see the CIK or the SIA, NIA, ED. We have been seeing multiple such raids in the last so many years where they were trying to take the oxygen out from these terror outfits or those who are supporting this terrorism. These are more like the white-collar people who do their daily life. They are the part of the society, but meanwhile they try to sabotage the national activities and are more into the anti-national activities by providing a support, by radicalizing the youth to join the terror ranks, and they try to glorify the terrorism. We have seen in past also multiple such properties were booked by the SIA and the other components of J&K police, including the national investigating agencies, where it was found that these people have been using the money for the glorification, that the drug money would come, the properties were attached, and many of the people were booked under UAPA and the PSA cases. So today the 7 districts were touched by the CIK in the Kashmir Valley, where we see north, south, as well as the Central Kashmir were touched. There have been the multiple documents, the digital evidences that have been seized by the investigating agencies to see that how they can connect dots as far as the case of the glorification of the terrorism, or for that matter, that how they take the people into the terror ranks, or how they do the radicalization. Because see, after the Red Fort blast, there the white collar module that was busted by the NIA along with the Jammu and Kashmir police, Srinagar police, we have been seeing that the white collar terror module is emerging, because that is the part of the Jaish-e-Mohammed, and they were trying to revive the Ansar Ghazwatul Hind, which is a worrisome factor for the investigating agencies, for the joint security forces on the ground, who have been trying best to take to weed out the terrorism from the Jammu and Kashmir. Since then, this Red Fort blast that happened on the 10th of November, we have been seeing there have been the multiple raids that have been carried by all the components of the duty, as well as the central agencies, as far to see that how they can connect the dots, because when the white collar module was busted by the joint agencies, so it had come into fore that it is not only the doctors, where we see the engineers, those who have been doing the AC technicians, and also who have been doctors.
Viewers, we have some breaking news coming in this morning. These are the live visuals coming in of the Luthra brothers. Those were the live visuals coming in. We were showing you those live visuals of the Luthra brothers as they are all set to be deported from Thailand